Hi guys, it's Steve at Golf Tech Systems. We are up in the MK Demo Centre, and this week you may have seen our post on Facebook that we've been doing some Trackman new software testing. So just wanted to give you a quick video on that so you could see how the new software is actually looking. New interface, really clean, really liking TPS and what they've done with that. So this is where we are, top left, we're in the practice area. So we've got our shot analysis, test centre and Trackman combined tests. That's as per normal that you saw on TPS. And then you can see at the top we've now got the option to go into courses. So if we go into full, you can then see the courses that are available down the bottom. So we're just literally going to one and do a quick flyover for you so you can actually see what a course looks like in the graphics. Just need to start that and that'll run. So 15 courses are available in the software. Testing this week's gone really well. Really enjoyed it. Software looks good. It plays well. I like the functionality with the Trackman. There's some nice features. There's like a practice area, practice hole where you can just drop the ball and practice from that point. You can also bring up exactly the Trackman stats that you want to see for that. So obviously we know Trackman has a lot of data points that's available, but it's nice that we can actually tailor that. So again, a bit like what you can do in TPS where you can select what you want to see. You can do that actually on the practice as well. We'll have a quick look at a flyover just to give you an idea of how it looks, how the graphics look, that sort of thing. So yeah, it's nice and clean. Stat screen again, when you're playing on the course, just hitting shots normally, that comes up, gives you some data. Plenty of settings to play around with, as kind of with all sim softwares. You've got plenty in there to tailor it how you want to tailor it. So we're going to play a couple of holes, but we're going to do it a quick way. We're actually going to do a par 3 challenge that's in Trackman. So that's 6 par 3 holes. So if we do the par 3, that'll get us playing a couple of different holes quicker. We've also got it on auto putt. So nice feature with that is it's just obviously going to give us a computer will guess how many putts we have when we hit the green. That just means we can play a few more holes to show you exactly what it's like and what the software looks like. So that's just loading up now. But yeah, as I say, initial thoughts this week from testing, really good. Like the layout, it's very simple to use, which is good. Features are where you expect them to be, settings are where you expect them to be. So 73 yards, so we've just got a wedge in our hand, nice little straight shot to start with. Okay, that's a pretty good start. And then you'll see the stats come up. And there you go, that's your stat screen that you're now going to get with your Trackman. It's giving me a birdie, very generous, that's a good start. And then just jumps straight onto the next hole. So we've now got 79 yards with 31 foot downhill. So 79 yards. Okay. Yeah, visually it just flies well, it looks good. Quite like the stat screen. The stat screen is kind of very easy to understand quickly. You're seeing numbers that you want to see, but simple. Say putting's fine on it, but sometimes it's quite nice to do auto putt. This one's a really short one, really short. Okay, use the slope hopefully. Oh, just over the top. That's going to be a little tricky shot down the hill. It's really running away from us. But yeah, it's nicely done, and that's what I like about it. It's just very easy to use, very quick, very intuitive, understands what's going on, and I think that's what's important about a sim software. You don't want it too over complex, you just want it pretty straightforward, you want it to do its thing, look good and play well with some good settings. Okay, last one, 67. Didn't quite get that, but it should get up. Well, it has got up. Nice overhead on the right hand side, we like that as well. That's quite a good feature that you can just put your finger on that and that will give you quickly, if I just put my finger on it, you can see it's really simple. If this was like a par 4 or something, to lay up or something like that, you could see how far it is to that point and how far it's then going to leave you into the hole. So that's another nice feature. Just got 100 yards on this one, might as well just finish, see if it gives us another birdie, if it's being generous. Okay. Not too far. But yeah, overall, as I say, really, really impressive this week. We've put some posts out just talking about the fact that we were testing this week and trying it out. But hopefully that gives you a good insight into what the new Trackman software looks like. If you need any more information, visit us at www.golftechsystems.com.